Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to talk about Q skills, level 2 book, unit 2, writing section, page 39. And today's topic is brainstorming. So first we have to understand that what is brainstorming? Brainstorming is basically thinking. But the question arises that we can make sentences like I'm thinking at the moment, or I'm brainstorming at the moment, right? So what's the difference between using, one sentence we're using thinking, and in another sentence we're using brainstorming? So the answer is very simple. The answer is brainstorming also means thinking, but it's kind of focused thinking about a certain topic. When you think about a certain topic and create some ideas about it, and create more ideas about the particular certain topic, it's called brainstorming. And usually brainstorming done really quickly. It's not a process, it's a long process, and that's why it's called brainstorming, because it's a focused thinking and your brain is working really quickly. So that's what the brainstorming means. And after brainstorming, why actually, another question is that why we need brainstorming. Actually, we need brainstorming when you want to write about a given topic or any topic, or you want to speak about it, and if you really want to create some ideas about any topic, any topic. For this, you can also use some techniques, because when you think and then you have to put it on the write it down on the paper, and for this we usually use these three techniques that what we are going to study here in this particular lesson. This one is listing, another is idea maps, and the last one is free writing. So let's deal with the first one here, listing. Listing is a technique that you use to write about that particular topic while brainstorming. It's like making some lines, or you can just do it on the paper. Like here, I can show you an example. The text is not showing up, no problem. We can use Word here. Alright, so for example, listing is, for example, if you're thinking about cars, like fast cars, and this can be our topic, fast cars, right? So now we start thinking about fast cars, and while you're thinking, you can also create a list of the words that come up in your mind. For example, when I'm thinking about the fast cars, right, I can think about engines, engine, tires, brands, design. So that's how I'm creating a listing about this particular topic, fast cars. And later on I can create detailed sentences and also related ideas towards these words that I'm right now writing down in a shape of a list. So this technique is called listing. The other technique that you can use is called idea maps. Idea maps are basically another simple technique, but in this you can give a little bit detail. For example, here, if you can see that in the middle you can write a keyword. You need to think about the keywords that you're going to talk about and you're going to use as a main idea of a paragraph, because that's how it works. So, for example, if I want to talk about food, so first I write here health, right? Because food is related to health, right? Meaning our health really depends on food. So I first write here health, and then I can give, like here, vegetables. So I can write here health, I can write here vegetables, I can write here clean, I can write here like less sugar, and we should not use more sugar and things like this, right? Not good for health. And here we can write fruits, right? So like this. So the thing is that that's how you can create, you can write about food and using health as keyword, and then explaining further with different words and ideas here. And that's how you can write something else about the food here, and then write more about it here, and that's how it works. So that's how you use brainstorming in idea maps. Right, it comes. All right, no problem. For now, just okay, no problem. We keep it there. Here, put it here. All right, so we have to delete one. Don't need too many sticky notes there on the book. All right, so last one here is the free writing. All right, so last one here is the free writing, and in free writing, you you give yourself some time to think about it, right? For example, give yourself like 5 minutes, 10 minutes to think about certain topic, and you know, keep on thinking about it, and then start writing the ideas, like 3, 4, 5 ideas right there on the paper, and then expand on these ideas later on when you start writing about it. So these are the 3 techniques that you can use for brainstorming. And here is an activity for the listing, right? So you can do this activity yourself. You can create listing. You can, the topic is already here. Favorite color, right? What items do you have in the color? Why do you like the color, and how does it make you feel? So think about any color and then write something about some words about the color, and create listing. Next one here is the idea map. So you can also, the way I told you, you can do this activity, right? And the last one here, and the next one here is read the free writing examples, cross out information that does not focus on the topic, compare. All right, so after that, what you need to do is to read it and find out any idea that is not related to this specific topic, right? So which is not related to this topic, you need to delete it, because the thing is, that's the purpose of the brainstorming, that the whatever you're expanding on the main idea, right, should be related to the main idea that you're writing about. If it's not related, then you need to delete it. All right, so next here is there are other activities. You can read them and do it at home, and finally what you need to do is to write a paragraph, right? So you need to write a paragraph here, so just for your practice, and that's it. So if you have any questions, you can ask your questions to your teacher. I hope that this video is helpful for you, and yeah, right? Well, that's it. Thank you very much.